Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We continue to have some low cloudiness across the region this morning. Should see that slowly move off the coast and see some sunshine for this afternoon. But these low clouds have been fairly slow to move out of the region, and that has caused the forecasted high today to be a few degrees cooler than it was forecast this morning. Although we'll still see temperatures above normal for today in the mid to upper 50s for highs. As far as the chance of precipitation goes, we did see some light showers early this morning. Those have continued to move off the coast and deteriorate, so we shouldn't see any more rainfall across the region today, and no chances of lightning. We'll see some slightly breezy winds this afternoon out of the northwest, possibly gusting as high as 25 knots, so could see a wind advisory for a brief time this afternoon. Our upper level winds this morning, freezing level at 7,800 feet, winds out of the northwest throughout the column this morning, increasing with height fairly uniformly. We see our winds peaking around 75 knots between 16 and 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we have a strong area of low pressure just off to our east. It continues to move northeasterly today. We'll have a weak area high pressure built in for this afternoon. That should allow for us to have some downsloping winds off the mountains and seeing these low clouds starting to scour out across the region. This boundary just south of our area is kind of keeping these clouds in here this morning. That should erode as we move in the afternoon hours. As I mentioned, should see some sunshine for this afternoon, but these low clouds have been stubborn to move out of the region this morning. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of cloud coverage across the region this morning, especially moving in from the northwest around that area low pressure. That's just off our coastline this morning. And taking a look at the HERM model for the next 48 hours or so, you can see those clouds continuing to remain in the area until about 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon, then moving out, and should see a good amount of sunshine thereafter. As we move into the overnight hours, clear skies across the region, should see winds of the north and northeast, and that's going to allow us to see our low temperature in the mid-30s tonight, looks like, and then by tomorrow afternoon, should see possibilities of low clouds moving in off the water, especially during the late afternoon, the evening hours. Looks like the best chance of that happening. But overall, going to see temperatures tomorrow once again above normal in the mid 50s across the region. So move into our Thursday morning, going to see a disturbance starting to approach from the west. This 12Z HER run is fairly amplified with the precipitation, but going to see a decent chance of some rain showers across the region as well as a slight chance of thunderstorm. So we'll have some instability across the area for Thursday, early Thursday morning with a warm front. This will be a warm front moving through the region, and that's going to allow us to see some warmer air across the region for the day on Thursday, as well as some sunshine once these rain showers move out of the area later Thursday morning. And taking a look at the European model for the long range, you can see here high pressure control on Wednesday, then that weak area low pressure or warm front moves to the region on Thursday morning. That's going to give us our chances of precipitation. And then for Thursday afternoon, we'll see high pressure slowly building in from the north, although we'll see downslipping winds off the mountains. Not a lot of cold air eviction across the region, so going to see some warm temperatures on Thursday, well above normal, possibly in the lower 70s inland, upper 60s along the coast. Then for our Friday, we're going to see a warm front once again move through the region with a strong area low pressure down to, it looks like, 970s across the Mississippi Valley, and that's going to be giving us some rainfall across the region as well as breezy to windy conditions on Friday, and that's going to produce an area low pressure continuing to move into the Great Lakes region and an additional area low pressure developing off the northeast coast for Saturday morning. But we'll see drying conditions for Saturday morning as downslipping winds off the mountains allows us to dry out. We'll see a decent amount of rainfall Friday with that warm front and the continued disturbances moving along that boundary. So I could see about a half to 1 inch rainfall, looks like, on Friday, and then drying out for Saturday. Sunday looks like another disturbance possibly moving through the region. European is much farther north with that disturbance on this run, but models can continue to indicate we'll have a disturbance move through Sunday morning, so can't rule out a sprinkle across the region. And then for the day on Sunday and Monday, I should see conditions improving across the region. Could see some breezy winds on both Sunday and Monday as an area low pressure off the coast continues to remain stationary or in place. Right now, the European is more progressive with the area low pressure and high pressure moving in for our Monday, but looks like right now could just see some dry seasonal weather with some breezes for both Sunday and Monday. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, see those low clouds this morning and then some breezy conditions this afternoon, high around 57, so did decrease that high today by 4 degrees in this forecast, as it has not warmed up much, and the low clouds continuing to linger across the region. Overnight tonight, seeing a low around 37, northeasterly winds 5 to 10 knots. We'll see those low clouds in the region today. Should see VFR conditions after 1400 local, with ceilings above 3,000 feet that time. But through this morning into the early afternoon hours, going to see those lower ceilings across the region. Tomorrow morning, going to see mostly sunny skies across the area. Just a little bit of cloud cover in the low levels as well as mid levels and the upper levels, but lots of sunshine by tomorrow morning. Our tides are 1 to 1.5 feet above normal currently, and looking at Wednesday through Thursday. Wednesday, mostly sunny during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy by late afternoon, evening. Slight chance of low clouds. During the evening, a high of 56 degrees for Wednesday night. Mostly cloudy overcast with a chance of some low clouds as well as rain showers. Slight chance of a thunderstorm. Mild and slightly breezy, a low of 50. And for Thursday, slight chance of a lingering rain shower in the morning. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, warm, and slightly breezy. A high of 68 degrees. And as I mentioned, those rain showers will be in the morning on Thursday. It looks like Thursday afternoon should be a very nice day with well above average temperatures, with possibility of some low clouds as well on Thursday morning. Wednesday night, the most unsettled time period from Wednesday through Thursday, with those rain showers moving in with that warm front, and as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm. So the next 7 days, looking at temperatures in the mid-50s for today, tomorrow, upper 60s for Thursday, back to near 60 on Friday and Saturday, with Friday being fairly cold during the day, and then temperatures rising late in the day on Friday with another warm front moving through the region. So it looks like Friday will be kind of stuck in the 40s, with some breezy conditions during the daytime. So we'll be feeling fairly cold on Friday before temperatures warm up during the evening hours. We'll see Saturday near 60 degrees with some partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions as well. As I mentioned on Sunday and Monday, looking like we'll have temperatures in the low to mid 50s for both days. Mostly cloudy on Sunday, mostly sunny on Monday with some breezy conditions for both days as it appears now. We'll see about a 30% chance of a sprinkle or light rain shower Sunday morning with an additional disturbance moving through, but overall, not a lot of precipitation with that system as it appears now. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.